I started this internship program 3 semesters ago with the goal of helping students find internships, as well as the goal of helping serve the state and making sure that the state vacancies in terms of administrative positions and things like that are getting filled by qualified people from the University of South Carolina. It's really benefited both groups in terms of getting our students out there and getting them the experience they need for their careers, but also getting them exposure to the state and making sure that the state understands that we're here producing good quality students that can really fill in these roles.
So before coming here, I always knew that I wanted to major in political science. Being that the University of South Carolina is right here in the capital city of Columbia, and it's the close proximity to the Capitol Hill, I was like, it's a great opportunity to major in political science. And I also knew that I wanted to go to law school in the future. So that bridge from political science to law school was just a perfect connect. I had the great opportunity to intern with the legislative liaison at the Department of Corrections. The opportunity gave me so many great things. It's giving me the opportunity to learn more betterly in professional skills, but also giving me a better understanding of the state government and how it operates.
We have a lot of interns that are working with state agencies and they work in various capacities. So there's a really wide range of the roles we're filling through political science. Students in the program are getting to meet agency heads. They're getting to interact with key legislative staff all the time. And that's going to open doors for them in the future in terms of if they want to stay in state government, if they want to move on to other positions.
The internship class in itself was just a great opportunity, and I definitely recommend it. Anyone to take the class and just push yourself out there and just get involved in these internships so that you can get experience and understand what state government, but also national government is like.